make sure that your power is being used? Who wants to know? Anyone? Yeah. Okay. You want to use your unconscious mind as if you had a personal assistant in your head. So everything that you think, everything that you say, your personal assistant stands right there and takes some notes. Okay? So you want to place orders, and you want to make sure that you place the right orders. Okay? The problem is, we get up in the morning and we're like looking at ourselves in the mirror and we go, I look tired. I'm so stressed out. It's going to be a gong show today looking for work. I'm probably going to mess up my interview. I think I'm getting fat. And then the personal assistant writes that down. Okay, what's my first order of the day? I look tired. What can I do? What can I... Oh, I'll keep them awake all night. Check. I'm so stressed out. Stressed out. Oh, I'll make them forget something at home so they have to turn around and go get... That's going to be stressful. Check. What's my next order of the day? It's going to be a gong show looking for a job. Okay. Oh, I'll make them get lost on their way there. It's going to be a gong show. Perfect. I will mess up my interview. Oh, I'll find something very stupid for them to say during the interview. Check. I am getting fat. Oh, I can find a chocolate cake or something deep fried for them to eat that day. Check. So your personal assistant always delivers. Whatever you think, whatever you say, it's going to happen. So you have to be very, very careful when you place your orders. You have to be very careful what you tell your personal assistant. Okay? So you want to use positive words as well. Because some people have a good intention. So clients sit down in my office and then they tell me what they don't want. So they would go, I don't want to be stressed anymore. I don't want to be tired. I don't want to be rushing everywhere. I don't want to be impatient with my kids, and I don't want to be broke. So the personal assistant goes, stressed, tired, rushing everywhere, impatient, broke. Because your personal assistant doesn't process the word don't. Let's do a test. Close your eyes for a second. Close your eyes. Okay, you're not watching me on YouTube or television. I can't see you. So close your eyes. Don't worry, you're not going to fall asleep. If you fall asleep, I've got my people walking down the aisles and they will taser you. Okay, so close your eyes. And everybody, over here too, perfect. Do not visualize Mickey Mouse wearing a yellow tuxedo standing on top of a pink Mercedes-Benz. Do not visualize Mickey Mouse wearing a yellow tuxedo standing on top of a pink Mercedes-Benz. You can reopen your eyes. Did you see it? Yeah. I know, right? And I said specifically, do not. And yet your brain had to process the whole information before it could negate it. And then it was too late. It was already on the order. So stop saying what you don't want and start dreaming with what you want.